Xinda Clover Industry Limited Company, Nanhai, Foshan City, is a national high-tech enterprise specialized in developing manufacturing and marketing for office furniture. As one of the industrial pioneers in China, Clover leads the development of office partitions and cubicles. The headquarters of Clover is located in Shushan, Foshan City. It has two wholly owned subsidiaries named Bozi and Yutor. Currently, Clover has 3 industrial divisions of office furniture solutions: medical care and prefabricated partition wall. During the last 20 years, Clover has been marketing and promoting in more than 100 countries. During 30 years' development, Clover has obtained many honors. In 2009, it was awarded as the National High-Tech Enterprise, and in 2018, as the Provincial Enterprise Technology Center. Clover pays high attention to product development and investment. After more than 10 years' unremitting efforts, Clover has become one of the leading brands in office partition area and successfully entered Facebook, Dropbox, and Google. Clover Intelligent Production Base covers an area of 150,000 square meters with more than 800 employees. It owns most of the process in-house. There are 6 workshops including aluminum extrusion, aluminum powder coating and anodize, plastic injection, die casting, steel workshop, panel workshop, and melamine workshop. With total investment of more than 80 million RMB to ensure quality consistency, Clover adopts international advanced production equipment, including automatic powder coating lines, 6 lines of automatic welding robots, 2 sets of laser cutting machine,